Hello. Today we're going to look at a next formula, which is a plus b plus c whole squared is equals to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. But first, I'd like you guys to do this question. Please pause the video and try to do this question. That's because that's what we learned in our last video, and this is for your comprehension. I will tell you how to do it at the last, like when we're ending with the video. Then that's when I'll help you solve the question that I showed before. Okay, so here we are. Let's look at question number 2 here. If a squared plus b squared plus c squared is 45 and a plus b plus c is minus 1, then find the value of a, b plus b, c plus ca. Let me just get some extra space because I think we're going to need some. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to write the formula in the space that I created for myself. Okay, so the formula is a plus b plus c whole squared is equals to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, but if we look at the formula carefully, we can further simplify, well, not simplify, but we can just kind of take common from the last three terms. So a squared plus b squared plus c squared, then 2 is common in these three, ab plus bc plus ca. So we just take 2 and write ab plus bc plus ca. You see why I did that. So let's get to the questions again. In the second question, we have a squared plus b squared plus c squared is 45. So we have a plus b plus c is minus 1. Minus 1 squared, because a plus b plus c whole squared should be equals to minus 1 whole squared is equals to a squared plus b squared plus c squared, which is 45 plus 2 ab plus bc plus ca. That's what we got to find in here. ab plus bc plus ca plus 2 ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so negative 1 squared makes 1, and 45 is in addition, so we're going to subtract 45 when we take it to the other side of the equation. So it becomes negative 45 is equals to 2 ab plus bc plus ca. One minus 45 makes negative 44, and 2 is multiplying on the other side, so we just divide it when we move it to this side, right? So negative 44 divided by 2 is 1, and 22, negative 22 of course. So it makes negative 22, which is the answer to our question. I hope you understood what we did here. Now I'm going to erase everything and we're going to do the next question. But I would encourage you to try on your own first. Pause the video and try to do it on your own. Okay. M plus N plus P. So ABC is M plus N plus P here. So 10 squared is equals to Mn plus Np plus Mp is equals to 27, right? So Mn plus Np plus Mp, that's AB plus BC plus CA. We have the value of that. We just need to find M square plus N square plus P square. So M square plus N square plus P square plus 2. Mn plus Np plus Mp is 27, so we just write 27 in here. Okay, 10 squared would make 100, and 2 times 27, what would 3 times 27 make? Let's do it. So 2 7 times is 14, and 2 times is 4, then 5, so 54. 100. Okay, so you should be writing plus 54 here, but just to shorten the process, because we don't have a lot of space in here, I'm directly going to write negative 54 on the other side of the equation. 100 minus 54 makes m square plus n square plus p square. Now what's 100 minus 54? Let's find out. 100 minus 54. This becomes 9, this becomes 10. 10 minus 4 becomes 6. And 5, 9 minus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then this is 4. So 46. This is the answer. Okay, moving on to the next question. X squared plus y squared plus z squared equals 78, and xy plus yz plus zx is 59. Then we have to find the value of x plus y plus z. Let's do it. Okay, so x plus y plus z, let me just change it to a different color. Okay, so x plus y plus z would correspond to a plus b plus c squared, right? So a plus b plus c whole squared would correspond to x plus y plus z. So we need to find x plus y plus z. According to the formula, we have x plus y plus z whole squared is equals to a squared plus b squared plus c squared, which is 78 here. X squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2. AB plus BC plus CA, XY plus YZ plus ZX is 59. 2 times 59. What is 2 times 59? Let's find out. So 59 times 2. Well, this makes 18. And 2 5 times is 10 and 11. 118. 118 plus 78. 8 plus 8 is 16. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 9. 196. 196. This whole thing becomes 196. And since there is a square, we need to put a root on both sides. Okay, should not be put in a bracket on it. Okay, let's find out what's the square root of 196. Okay, 196's square root is 14. And since there is a square root, we're going to put both positive and negative 14. X plus y plus z. Okay. So we've done 4 questions. Let's see if you can do the 5th one yourself. Pause the video and try it. Okay, I hope you have tried to do the question on your own. And now I'm going to try to do the question on my own. So x plus y plus z is 12. So a plus b plus c squared, 12 squared, is equals to x squared plus y squared plus z squared, which means a plus b plus c squared. Sorry, a squared plus b squared plus c squared is 64. And then 2 xy plus yz plus zx corresponds to ab plus bc plus ca. We just write in that here. xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, 12 multiplied by 12 makes 144. And 64 is positive in here. So when it goes to the other side of the equation, it becomes negative 64 is equals to 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, so let's see what's 144 minus 64. Okay, so that makes 80. 2 is multiplying in here, and when we go to that side of the equation, we divide it. So we just left with xy plus yz plus zx. 2 1 times and 2 40 times. 2, because 2 4s are 8, right? So xy plus yz plus zx is 40. Okay, that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed, and in the next video we're going to discuss a new formula. But wait a second, I promised to tell you the solution of the other question that I gave you to solve, and I hope you have tried to solve it by now. But if you haven't, I am going to try and give you the solution. So let's do that first. Okay, so we're back and we have this question here. A plus b is equals to 10, a minus b is equals to 6, and we have to find the value of a squared plus b squared. Let's write the 2 formulas we discussed earlier. Okay, we have written the 2 formulas. A plus b whole squared minus a minus b whole squared makes 4ab. A plus b whole squared plus a minus b whole squared equals 2a squared plus b squared. And the first one says if a plus b is 10 and a minus b is 6, then we have to find the value of a squared plus b squared. Think about it, what formula would you apply? The first one or the second one? The first one is this, second one is this. And what one would you apply? I hope you've thought enough. I hope you've thought hard. So I think you will choose Formula 1, which is what I am using as well. So 10 squared plus a minus b is 6. So 6 squared equals to a squared plus b squared. 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. And since 2 is multiplying in here, we're going to divide it on the other side of the equation. And then we have a squared plus b squared isolated. 100 plus 36 is 136. 0.2 to 1 times and to 6 times 12 and 8 times 16. So it is 68. This is the answer to part 1. Let's erase everything else and focus on part 2. If a plus b is 5, a minus b is 17, we have to find the value of ab. So we're going to use the second formula here. Let me change the color to something more convenient. A plus b is 5, so 5 squared minus a minus b is root 17, so root 17 squared is equals to 4ab. Now just to isolate ab, we'll have to take 4 to the other side, but first we're going to square everything. So 5 times 25, and root 17 squared is 17. And then 4 goes to the other side and divides. And gives us AB. 25 minus 17, let's do that. 25 minus 17 is 8. Divided by 4 is AB. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So AB is 2. We have the answer here. So I hope you liked everything and I hope it helped. So if you have any more requests or anything, you can just comment them down below and I'll make sure to cater to your requests as well. Thank you so much for watching.